what I want to work on is I want to eliminate this air vent, and I'm eventually going to move it elsewhere, but for now I just want to get rid of it and patch the hole. The fact that this used to be a window here makes a lot more sense for that location, because you don't want an air vent in the middle of your doorway. That was kind of ridiculous. I'm surprised they didn't move it, but that's the way things are in this house, so let's start tearing this out. Up top here should be pretty easy. Looks like that might not even have been the first air vent ever there. That's the easy part. So let's take you down to the basement. I'm actually going to pause you while I go take you down there, because I got to go grab the ladder and stuff, so I'll be back. Alright, we're in the basement. Got my ladder. And I need to go get my utility knife to cut that tape. I'll be right back. Alright, got my utility knife. to disconnect it. Come on. This tape is right on the strap. There's a little bit at the top, and that's holding it on. We got it. With some force. Whew. Now I'm going to yank this piece of insulation out. Up here, I'll just yank these other pieces too. Take a quick break to go wash my hands from handling that insulation. Next up, we're gonna patch that up there. So give me a few minutes, I'll be back. Alright, so looking at this some more from up top, I think I'm going to do some work up top next. So let me take you up there. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is, this opening is cut kind of crooked. This side is almost on the joist. Over here it's not far from the joist. And this wood all around it is kind of crappy, especially here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this partially onto the joist on both sides so it's got some support there. I'm going to add some additional support underneath, but also I'm going to use this board. I'm going to temporarily screw it down, use my circular saw to cut along that. So I'll start by drawing some cut lines. Not with that pencil, we're not. Find another pencil that's got a piece of lead in it. Okay. I just snapped that lead off. Great. Well, that's enough of a line at least. Alright, so we'll make this if we go 6.5 from the edge. This will be 5.5. This isn't really a precision measurement, just trying to make it even. Circular saw always cuts an inch from your straight edge. So next, I want to reduce the depth of cut so it just goes through the plywood. good right there. Now we cut. Now, go find what I did with my oscillating tool. Use that. Go. So now one of the hard parts is trying to find a piece of board to patch with that's the same thickness. And just like that, we're back. And I scrounged up a piece of plywood that should be pretty darn close to the original thickness. Found this in the scrap bin. And I cut a piece of blocking. So the plan is this will go underneath. It'll go all the way from the front here, approximately there. It'll support all of this, and it'll go in between these two joists from the basement. Also on this scrap piece of wood, a little doodle Asti with what looks like a pig. I don't know if that's a name, or I don't know if that's another language description for a pig or some other animal, but this is something that came with the house. So let's go in the basement and get this support block mounted. All right. So there's a preferred direction. Not particularly. This side looks a little better. Workout just getting that stuck in place. Let me actually go upstairs and make sure that that's as high as it's supposed to be. And I ended up putting a couple screws in from the top to help pull it up. Put a few angled screws in here. Hold this up. I think one side is a little high up there, so let me go take care of that. I'll be right back. Alright, so it does seem like it's a touch high, but not really enough to matter, and it doesn't seem to want to go down, so maybe the board is warped a tiny bit, but okay. We're good down here. Let's go back up and finish up. All right. So this is nice and even here. Nice and even in the front. It's a little, this part's a tiny bit high, but I think it is close enough. It's not going to matter. And we'll put the Asti down, make it a surprise for someone someday. Just screw this in. nice thing is, now this portion right here is supported, so that gives a little extra support right there too. So I can throw a screw in right there. Alright. That is now super secure, super strong. Hop on it, it's not going to break through. It's like that vent was never there before. Once the new floor goes over it, you'll never even know. Alright, well, thanks for watching, everyone.